So you're telling me that Mike thought I said the second half? Okay. Oh, he's here, is he? Send him in, but tell him not to ring the door.
Where are you? We got some work to do now.
So you've made it here then, Mr. Fuse. Well, sorry, but I'm disqualifying you on a technicality for failing to turn up for the arrows question on Friday night. Be seeing you. Oh, come on then, come in. Your question, the ultimate BTG question. This will immortalise you if you were to answer this correctly. Champions League football. 4 groups in action tonight. Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D. I'd like you to tell me, for the ultimate question, which of these groups do you think will be the first to produce a game where both teams score? Simple as that. Get it right, you will be champion. Get it wrong, and it's back to the ground for you, young Fuse. Good luck. Be seeing you.